The laws of flotation tell us about the state of a body in a liquid. That is, whether it will sink, whether it will float, or whether it will float inside the liquid. From Archimedes' principle, we are aware that the observed weight of the body is equal to the weight of body minus weight of the liquid displaced. If we take a liquid of density sigma, and we take a body of density rho, the weight of the body will be equal to mg, that is immersed in the liquid, that is mg is equal to, where mass is equal to the volume into density, that is A into h into rho into g. The body has got density of rho. The weight of displaced liquid is equal to W, that is equal to A into h, that is the volume of the body, and density of the liquid, that is sigma into g. That means the observed weight is equal to Ah into rho into g minus Ah into sigma into g. So observed weight is equal to, taking Ah and g common, so AHg into rho minus sigma. As calculated, the observed weight of the body is equal to A into h into g into rho minus sigma, where sigma is the density of the liquid and rho is the density of the body. Here we have got three laws of flotation. Number one, when rho is greater than sigma, that means when the density of the body is greater than the density of the liquid. In that case, the observed weight is positive. If the observed weight is positive, that means the body will sink to the bottom. When the observed weight of the body is positive, that means the density of the body is greater than the density of the liquid. When the density of the body is greater than density of the liquid, the body will sink to the bottom, provided the body is not hollow from inside. In that case, there will be a different scenario. Number two, when rho is less than sigma, when the density of the body immersed is less than the density of the liquid in which it is immersed. In that case, the observed weight will be negative. When the observed weight will be negative, the body will float on the surface. When the body will float on the surface, in that case, the weight of the fluid displaced by the immersed part will be equal to the weight of the body. Listen one more time. The liquid displaced by the immersed part will be equal to the total weight of the body. In that case, the body will float on the surface of the liquid. Case number third is when the density of the body equals to density of the liquid in which it is immersed. In that case, the observed weight of the body will be equal to 0. When the observed weight of the body will be equal to 0, in that case, the body will be fully immersed in the liquid. So the law of flotation tells us the body will float inside the liquid in two cases, when the density of the body is either equal to or less than the density of the fluid. If the density of the body is more than the density of the liquid in which it is immersed, the body will sink to the bottom, provided the body is not hollow from inside.